Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. Diwali season is around the corner and my face looks very dull. Let's flaunt our looks. All you have to do, spare a moment to get that festive glow using very simple steps and very basic steps and you're done. Okay, starting with the first basic step, that is cleansing. Start with a basic cleanser. You can use any face wash of your choice, or you guys can also use raw milk for cleansing. I'm using Clean and Clear face wash. Gently massage all over your face and wash it off with plain water. So, my second step is double cleansing. For double cleansing, I am using raw milk. Take a raw milk, take a cotton, dip in the milk, apply it all over your face, and wash it off with plain water. You guys can also massage for instant glow. If you have an oily skin, then you guys can also use rose water for your face. Now, my next step is scrubbing. Nothing helps like scrubbing in dealing with dead skin cells. Now, here I am using some rice flour and milk. Now, this is the third most important step, which will help you to open your pores and make your skin breathe. Now, take a gentle amount of scrub, apply it all over your face, and gently scrub your face. You guys can also use Multani Mitti if you have an oily skin. And you guys can also try this scrub as this is suitable for all skin type. Scrub well around your forehead area to get rid of this tan. Do this scrubbing process for 2 to 3 minutes, but if you feel it's dry, then pat some milk in the middle. Use this massaging and scrubbing techniques. Remember, whenever you're applying something, apply it in upward direction. Now, once you think it's done, then wash it off with some plain water. My skin is already glowing. Now the next step is steaming. Now steaming is another amazing way to open pores. You guys can take a bowl of warm water, add essential oils if you have, and let's steam. After this step, you guys can get rid of those whiteheads and blackheads. The next step is ice massage. Do not apply it directly on your face. Take an ice cube, wrap it in a towel and dab it on your face. Now place it where you have pores and pimples. Now this is very important step, that is face mask or a face pack. Now here I am using rice flour, milk and basin and some turmeric. Mix them well and apply as a face mask. Now this mask is suitable for all skin type. This is the most basic and natural mask. All ingredients available at home. Apply it and wait for 15 minutes till it dry. This mask helps to get rid of those pigmentation, dead skin and tan. Once you feel it's dry, wash it off with plain water. And the results were amazing. I feel so supple and soft. Last but not the least, the very important step is moisturizing. Now I'm using my favorite moisturizer, that is Biotique moisturizer. Now you guys can choose a moisturizer of your choice. Or you guys can go for simple kitchen ingredients like coconut oil, cucumbers and also aloe vera. Use these massaging techniques to lift your face. These exercises help you to glow and enhance your facial features. This is the final result. Now even men can try these facial techniques. I hope you like this Diwali series. Don't forget to subscribe us and do also follow us on Instagram. Until then, bye bye.